Have you ever looked at a big list of numbers or names in Excel and thought, there has to be an easier way to manage this? Make sure you include your headers, like student ID, name, and any other column titles. Go to the toolbar at the top and click the Home tab. Then choose Format as Table and pick a style you like. A small window will pop up showing the range of your selected cells. Double-check the range and make sure the box, My Table has headers, is checked if your first row contains headings. Click OK, and that's it, your data is now a formatted table. You'll notice that Excel automatically adds filters to each column, and a new Table Design tab appears on the toolbar. From there, you can easily change the style, color, or name of your table, and even add totals or sort and filter your data with just a click. Tables don't just look better, they make your data smarter. Excel adds filters to each column and shows a Table Design tab where you can rename the table, change styles, or add a total row. If you add rows or columns, Excel will automatically expand the table for you, keeping everything consistent. Remember, don't waste your time scrolling random videos, learn skills that actually help you grow. Watch more Excel tutorials and keep building your knowledge step by step.